Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a very rich hair growth treatment. This treatment not only helps to promote hair growth but stronger hair follicles. If you're interested, let's keep watching till the end. So for this treatment, I'm going to be using some flax seeds. Flax seeds do have amazing benefits for our hair, which we're going to be looking at a little bit later. So yeah, what I'll do is just go ahead and measure about 3 to 3.5 teaspoons of the flax seeds. So I just wanted to show you the quantity that I'm using for this treatment. So yeah, if you've been around, you know I've done a video before making flaxseed gel and mixing with some other ingredients. If you want to check that out, you can click the link I'm going to leave in the description box below. So I just went ahead now and covered those flax seeds up with water, and then I proceeded to stirring it up. Just make sure you mix everything very well, and then I'll go ahead and cover it with foil paper and just set it aside for about 24 hours or so, and then I'll be right back to it. So it's been over 24 hours and it's time to begin making the treatment. So yeah, just open it. You notice that the seeds have completely soaked, and that's why they've settled at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and pour this into my blender cup. Right now the water has a little gooey feeling to it, but it's not as slimy as when you use the hot water process. But yeah, it's still a bit slimy. So if you want to do like the cold water flaxseed gel, so this is it. But I feel like if you want to use just the gel, you have to keep it a lot longer, because I think it's not as slimy as the consistency you get when you make the hot water process. So yeah, and I'm blending that now, and I can see it looking creamy. That's because we're blending the seeds together, not just extracting the gel. So yeah, I'll go ahead and blend that, and when I'm done I'll just take it out, and then this is how it looks. It looks very creamy, and of course there's still some particles in it. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and use my muslin cloth to filter out the chaff. We just want to be left with the flaxseed milk. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. You want to make sure that these particles do not pass through the cloth, because you do not want to have to deal with this in your hair, because it's gonna take a long time for you to wash it off. So make sure you filter it properly and get just the flaxseed milk. So the flaxseed milk is actually, it still has that slip to it, but of course not as when you want the gel. So if you want like excess slip, you can do the gel, but I just wanted the complete benefits of the seed, so I wanted to just blend it up and get the milk out of it. So yeah, this is how it looks. It still has the slip to it. So if you were wondering, and I don't know why I keep repeating that, but yeah, it's going to help you a lot to detangle your hair. And yeah, it's also amazing for hair growth purposes, which we are going to be looking at the benefits soon. So I just put it in my applicator bottle for easy application, and I'll go ahead and apply that to my hair. I'm applying this on clean hair, and you also want to make sure that when you apply treatments like this, you apply it on clean hair. You don't want to risk the possibility of the product or the benefits not penetrating your scalp just because your hair is dirty and you have clogged pores and all of that. So make sure your hair is clean, and then you go ahead and apply your treatment. I know it's tempting to just keep enjoying the sleep and just passing your hand through your hair, and but you want to make sure that you focus on your scalp as well. Make sure, like I always say in every video, apply treatments to your scalp, because that's where your hair grows from. So you want to make sure that it really touches your scalp and massage it in. So this treatment or this product actually really helps to detangle my hair. So like, it makes detangling super easy and gives my hair some shine. So yeah, you want to make sure again that you're applying this to your scalp, because that's the purpose of this treatment. If not, how is it going to help to grow your hair? So yeah, You don't want to also forget the length of your hair, but I always just say focus on your scalp and massage it in. And this is the opportunity that most of us have to actually massage our scalp, because apart from this, it's hard for most of us to remember to massage our scalp, which is very important. So when you apply your treatments, always take this opportunity to massage your scalp, massage the products in, and just increase that blood circulation to your scalp, which promotes hair growth. So now moving on, let's look at the benefits of flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, vitamins such as vitamin B and E, and antioxidants, which helps to reduce the effects of free radicals on your scalp, thereby promoting hair growth and stronger hair follicles. Flax seeds also helps to condition your hair. As you can see, it's a very good hair conditioner. So it also helps to define your curls. If you want to define your curls, you can use this, twist it up. But I don't advise you to leave this in your hair. You can only make the gel and leave it in your hair. But with this cream, I advise you keep it on for a while and then you wash it off. And it also helps to reduce frizz. As you can see, it's perfect for detangling your hair. So if you're looking for something very easy to treat your hair as well as detangle it, you want to consider this. And with all its benefits, flaxseed is amazing. Just be consistent with your treatment and you're going to see amazing results. So this is the video, and this is how I apply my flaxseed cream or the flaxseed milk to my hair, and I just go ahead and twist that up. As you can see, my hair is looking so shiny and like really moisturized, really conditioned. So I'm just going to cover this up with plastic bag and then use my steaming cap just so my pores can open up. I have low porosity hair, and then I'll go ahead and keep it on for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll rinse it all off. So guys, that's the treatment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and make sure you turn on the post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. Please join the family by subscribing. I'll greatly appreciate that. And again, don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.